there is a golden opportunity. American Association of Indian Pharmaceutical Scientists have announced Distinguished Young Educator and Researcher Scholarship 2021. This grant is fully funded by AIPS and it will be facilitated by the Indian Pharmaceutical Association in India. The eligibility of this scholarship is the pharmaceutical faculty in a recognized Indian Pharmacy Institute, and the grant will be given about 500 US dollars, which will be the research scholarship. If we see the criteria for this scholarship, then it will be given for the outstanding young pharmacy faculty members in the pharmaceutical arena under the age of 45 years as of April 1st, 2021. And the another criteria will be that the faculties should have made significant and consistent contribution to teaching as well as research in pharmaceutical sciences and technology in a recognized academic institution in India. Then only they will be eligible for applying for this scholarship. So if we go in detail about the scholarship, then this grant will be covering a amount of US dollar 500, and the awardee can spend it for a research purpose such as purchasing a research chemical or software or a database, and IPA would release the fund upon submission of a supporting invoice, and the nominations for this grant shall be facilitated by IPA. There is a fixed selection committee of following four category of members, and after preparing the application it should be submitted electronically to IPA center at the rate ipapharma.org by the end of August 2021. So how you have to prepare the application? The total package should not exceed 10 pages, and it has been given that if the number of pages are more, then the application might be rejected without consideration. The outline of the significant achievement in pharmaceutical sciences will be given along with the full references, and the candidate should have attached an updated CV or biodata with a recent photograph, and they should have 2 letters of recommendation and a brief abstract of recent original research. And it has been given that this award is available only once to the selected candidates. So when we summarize, then this award is specially for the pharmacy faculties of India having age limit less than 45 years. The complete proposal should be of not more than 10 pages, and the last date for submitting nominations with supporting documents is 31st August 2021. And if you want to know more additional informations, then you can contact Kishore Chavan sir, who is the executive admin of Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Mumbai, and also you can visit their website www.ipapharma.org. This is the complete detail that has been uploaded in the website. You can go there and visit the website, and take care that the last date is 31st August. Thank you so much. For more news, you can visit to our channel SRIP Edu Pharma, and do like, share and subscribe the channel, as well as press the bell icon for the notifications so that you can immediately get the information of the videos that we are uploading in the website. So thank you so much. Stay connected with us.